Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy a tablet during Big Billion Days sale and if you have a budget of 50 to 60,000 rupees, then this video is going to be helpful for you. In this video, I will compare Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus and OnePlus Pad 4. Let's start with the display. OnePlus Pad 4 features a 13.2-inch 3.4K LCD display with 144Hz refresh rate and around 1000 nit peak brightness. On the other hand, Samsung offers 13.1-inch LCD with 90Hz refresh rate. Although both are LCD panels, OnePlus Pad display feels more smoother while scrolling and gaming because of its higher refresh rate. It also has a slightly higher resolution and brightness. It doesn't mean that Samsung has a bad display, it is also very good. Now coming to performance, OnePlus Pad 4 uses Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, which is very powerful. On the other hand, in Samsung Galaxy S10 FE Plus, you will get Exynos 1580 processor, which is a solid mid-range chipset. But if you compare them side by side, I think OnePlus Pad 8 has a clear edge. In multitasking, gaming, video editing, future-proof performance, OnePlus is a clear winner. So if you are planning to keep a tablet for 4 to 5 years for performance, I think OnePlus Pad 2 will definitely prove to be a very good tablet. Now coming to battery life and charging, OnePlus includes a huge 13,380 mAh battery with 80-watt SuperBook fast charging. It also offers the charger inside the box, that is a plus point. On the other hand, Samsung offers a 10,090 mAh battery with 45 watt of charging capacity and charger will be in the box. So in terms of charging and fast charging, I think OnePlus Pad 4 is a clear winner. Now coming to the software, Samsung offers One UI, Samsung DeX, excellent multitasking, better ecosystem integration, 7 years of software update and security updates. On the other hand, OnePlus provides Oxygen OS, which is smooth and fast, but its software support is shorter and you will not get smooth software experience like Samsung. So in this area, I think Samsung has an edge. You will get smooth and regular software updates in Samsung tablet. Now students, pay more attention. Samsung includes the S Pen in the box. It is one of the best styluses on Android with excellent handwriting, PDF annotation and note taking. On the other hand, OnePlus supports its own stylus, but you will have to buy it separately, so you have to pay extra amount and the software isn't as mature as Samsung. So many users still consider Samsung the better choice for note taking. So if you are a student and you want to take notes, in that case Samsung is the winner. Now in the entertainment section, watching Netflix, YouTube and movies, I think OnePlus will give you edge. Better speakers are there, smoother performance with 144Hz display, more powerful processor. So which one should you buy? If you buy OnePlus Pad 4, in that case you will get better gaming, you can edit videos, you can get flagship level performance and you will get best value of your money. On the other hand, if you buy Samsung, you will get very good note writing experience, S Pen will be in the box, there will be long software support for Samsung tablets and you will get Samsung ecosystem. So if I had to choose one tablet, I will definitely would have chosen OnePlus Pad 4 because of its flagship processor, smoother display, larger battery and faster charging capacity. However, if your main priority is studying, note-taking, long-term software support, in that case Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus is still an excellent choice. Now let me know in the comment sections below which tablet you are going to buy. Hope this video has become informative to you to make the right decision to buy the best tablet in the Big Billion Days sale. And one more extra tips, don't buy any tablet right now, wait for the Big Billion Days sale for the right offers. I will let you know about the best deals on tablets, so stay subscribed. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.